I call the member for Gilmore.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker. Well, the 1st of November 2025 was a great day. It was, of course, when the Albanese Labor government's expanded bulk billing incentives kicked in, expanding bulk billing incentives to all Australians, also with an additional new incentive payment for practices that bulk bill every patient. It follows on from our very successful tripling of the bulk billing incentives 2 years ago in 2023 for pensioners, concession card holders and students, and that proved very, very popular. We saw bulk billing rates increase, particularly for this cohort of people, and I can honestly say this makes a huge difference in people's lives. People are doing it tough, and we have always said we will provide cost of living relief where we can. The changes on 1st of November do just that. They're being welcomed by a whole host of GP practices in my electorate of Gilmore that are keen to also provide some relief for patients. I visited Grand Pacific Health in Nowra, one of the first medical practices in Gilmore to sign on to become a fully bulk billed practice. This is what practice manager Cherise Morris had to say. This will make a huge difference. If people don't have to pay that gap for general consults, that's food in their mouth. When you have to prioritise food or health, that's a problem, and I couldn't agree more. This is much needed real relief for people. Just before the 1st of November on Facebook, these posts started popping up by GP practices in Gilmore and in our Facebook community groups, like this one from the Sussex doctors at Sussex Inlet on the New South Wales South Coast. And they said, "Healthcare made more affordable at Sussex doctors. We're proud to be a fully bulk billing clinic, ensuring everyone in our community can access quality medical care. Your appointment covered by Medicare. Just bring your card. From general consultations to care plans, we're here to support your health at every stage without financial stress. At Sussex Doctors, your health is our priority, and now it's more accessible than ever. More access, less cost, better care," is what they've said. Well, it's hard to argue with that. So I shared that post, and people started commenting about other local GP practices also moving to bulk billing every patient for GP visits, like Bomaderry Creek Health Centre, which has a new pop-up on their Facebook page which says, and I quote, "Bulk billing for all patients starting 1 November 2025. From 1 November 2025, there's no out-of-pocket cost for your GP visits at Bomaderry Creek Health Centre." How good is that? Recently, I also met with GPs at the Queen Street Medical Centre at Moruya, who are also taking up the expanded bulk billing incentives. They told me what a significant difference this will mean for patients and their practice. The 12.5% additional incentive payment for bulk billing every patient was also so welcomed. And the earnings boost is larger in regional areas like Gilmore, with a GP at a rural practice that bulk bills every visit to earn almost $24,000 more than a mixed billing GP for providing the same number of services. Because we need more GPs in regional areas, and these expanded bulk billing incentives help even more people in regional areas like mine. As at the 27th of October 2025, 21 GP practices in Gilmore indicated their intent to become a Medicare bulk billing practice, with 11 of those being currently mixed billing practices. So from these expanded bulk billing incentives, we've seen mixed billing practices become full bulk billing and more practices in total becoming full bulk billing. Here's what John said: "I already get bulk billed, but I'm glad it's extending. When people can see a GP without having to sacrifice their children's nutrition or rent, it makes us all smarter." Deputy Speaker, the Albanese Labor government has delivered the 3 largest increases in history, and now we're making the single largest investment in Medicare since its creation over 40 years ago. And I'm also looking forward to the new Nowra Medicare Urgent Care Clinic, which I know many people in my community are very much looking forward to as well, and I know that that's moving forward well. And also the expanded hours for the Batemans Bay Medicare Urgent Care Clinic, with the hours from 6 a.m. to midnight 18 hours a day, the longest of any urgent care clinic in the country. Labor created Medicare, and the Labor government will always strengthen Medicare.
And I thank the member for